MAK Legion is an innovative, next-generation scalability and interoperability framework, bringing unprecedented scale and performance to your distributed simulation environment. Legion can connect game engines, computer-generated forces, virtual simulators, and live systems to support entity counts well into the millions. Legion supports a wide variety of use cases that require scalability, modeling global air or naval traffic, multi-site virtual training exercises, theater-level constructive wargaming, or adding pedestrians and civilian traffic to fill dense megacities with rich patterns of life activity. As a key component of the U.S. Army's synthetic training environment, Legion has already been proven as a mature, robust, and flexible solution. MAK has demonstrated scenarios of up to 4 million Legion entities since 2019 by running many instances of VR Force's sim engines on Amazon's AWS cloud network. MAK's partners have successfully integrated with the Legion SDK to connect third-party engines to MAK's million entity scenarios. Bohemia's VBS4, Epic's Unreal Engine, SimBlock.io's integration with Unity, Leidos's OneSAF integration, 4C's Exonaut, and more. MAK's data logger can record and replay Legion traffic for after-action review, while MAK's VR Exchange can provide interoperability between Legion applications and distant HLA federates. The Legion architecture includes the Legion server and the 2 Legion SDK libraries. The thread-safe data store library allows each simulation engine instance to simulate, read, and write tens of thousands of entities in parallel, taking full advantage of today's multi-core hardware. The optimized network library continuously synchronizes each sim engine's local data store to the authoritative copy on the Legion server. And the powerful Legion server mirrors the full state of the Federation and serves required data to each connected client based on its specific interest and subscription. Legion keeps data in the same compact binary format throughout the system, avoiding the bottlenecks typically associated with marshalling and conversion. MAK has always been committed to openness, interoperability, and flexibility, and can easily be deployed on any public or private cloud using standard, open source, or mass market software. Legion, the interoperability solution for scale into the millions.